Namaste. I'm Rajesh Malhotra, Senior Process Engineer. Today I'll show you every machine, every drop, every billion-dollar secret.
Every second, 20,000 Coca-Colas are sold globally.
Merchandise 7X. Only 7 people worldwide know the full formula.
One drum flavors 1 million liters. Flown under armed escort.
Arrival logged at 4:08 a.m. 3.7 degrees Celsius.
600,000 liters filtered daily. 7-stage purification. Final purity, 1 impurity per billion molecules.
1:200 ratio. Mixed for exactly 22 minutes. AI checks 14 parameters. 1 deviation bleeps reject.
6.5 grams COCC per liter. Robots adjust in milliseconds.
27 grams per 500 ml bottle. 100% recyclable PET. 125,000 bottles per hour. 0 defects.
Fill accuracy 0.8 emitters. 0 human touch.
Caps tethered, never lost. UV sanitized.
Expiry date laser coated to the minute.
98% thinner film. Fully recyclable packaging.
Human tasters and AI. 0 tolerance for error.
500 cities served. 16-hour delivery to Delhi.
55% rPET are in India bottles by 2026.
Net zero carbon goal by 2038. From Atlanta vault to Pune shelf, 138 years of precision.
This isn't just Coke. It's engineering at scale. Dhanyavad.
It's the refreshing moment, the taste of the real thing. Coca-Cola. Secret unlocked only for 22 minutes. 3 million tons sugar sourced annually from Maharashtra.
HFCS blend. 55% fructose for perfect sweetness.
Acid gives Coke its signature bite.
Caffeine, exactly 96 mg per liter.
7X includes 8 natural oils. Recipe unchanged since 1886. Each preform inspected by vision system. Preform heated unevenly for perfect stretch.
Sustainability built into every blow. Temperature critical for carbonation retention.
Caps sterile before touching bottle. Cameras reject 1 in 10,000 bottles.
Traceability to the exact minute.
0 leaks reach the market.
80,000 pallets move daily without humans.
Stock rotates every 48 hours.
Cold chain monitored every 5 minutes.
35,000 tons recycled annually in Pune.
Contaminants removed in 12 minutes.
Food-grade rPET pellets produced. 5% plant energy from sun.
Water positivity achieved in 2023.
A perfect way to cool down. Cheers.
Absolutely.
Best Coke ever. One bottle. 1 billion served daily. From here to your home in under 24 hours.